If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What is going on, people? It's your boy MrBucketlist, and here we are today in Orlando, Florida, checking out Mythos at Universal's Islands of Adventure. Let's do it. Now, as I just stated, so this restaurant is within the park at Islands of Adventure, so you do need a ticket to actually go inside. And this is located in the Lost Continent section. So basically, this is like the Olympian gods, the section that has like Zeus, Poseidon, things like that. And that's what this restaurant is themed after. Now, one thing to note, if you actually go to the restaurant, if you even look it up online, the one big thing is they talk about how this is the world's best theme park restaurant. So my goal today is to help you all decide, is it worth it? Now, one thing right off the bat, if you all can't already tell, is this actual restaurant, the theming is just beautiful. It's so just unique and it's just a really, really nice setting. So regardless of the food, and I'll get into that a little bit later, but the theming of this restaurant is very, very nice. So definitely, if you just want to get like a good theme, a really nice open space, you really feel like you're in a different world when you step into this restaurant. And for me, of course, since I've enjoyed it so much, I just kept doing different videos, just walking around. I was more excited about the theme itself than actually getting my food. Like I said, the restaurant itself is really nice. Then for the drinks, what I ended up getting was, it was some type of mixed drink. It wasn't alcohol related, and I tried it out. It was nasty. So I'll put the name hopefully in post-editing so you all can see, but don't buy that drink. It tastes like unsweetened tea. It just was really, really nasty. And then as far as for my actual appetizer, I ended up getting some bread. It was some Spanish dip bread that they had. It was good. It was really filling. It is made for more than one person, so I didn't finish it all, but it was good. And then for the actual entree, I got the famous lamb burger. Now this burger, I have mixed thoughts on it. So that burger itself, the meat was really, really good. It was cooked medium well. Apparently that's the way the chef makes it. So it was really good. But the toppings, the bun, the condiments, it felt like something you would get like at a cookout. It was just cheap quality compared to the actual food. So that kind of threw me off. So as far as the food itself, I mean, they have a lot of different options, and I have been here multiple times, but the food itself, it's okay. I wouldn't say it's the best, but the actual theming itself makes up for it. So let me go ahead and throw my rating out there, and then I'll go into more detail about this restaurant. As far as my rating itself, I would say this is definitely going to be a must-do, and let me tell you why. So outside of theme park, well, outside of Universal, the only theme park that I actually know that has really, really good food, at least that I've tried so far, has been Disney World and Dollywood. Now, of course, if you go to Disney World, the portions are going to be small, but the prices are going to be high. So, I mean, thankfully here, the portions, like I said, I didn't finish it all because it was just really, really filling. So, even though the food quality wasn't that great, it wasn't the best I've ever had, it wasn't the worst I've ever had. And the actual setting of the restaurant itself, I mean, as you all can see why I take this tour, it's so nice inside. And then the views you get if you sit in the patio or if you just look outside, you literally get this beautiful view of all the roller coasters. So you get the Hulk, you get the new Velocicoaster. You get to see just pretty much everything, all the Islands of Adventure. So it's really, really nice. And then, like I said, the setting around the restaurant itself, I mean, it's literally it's based off Poseidon and Zeus and all that. So I mean, you have all these different just huge just monuments, and it's so cool looking. So like the experience, if I were somebody who wasn't really hungry but I wanted to go ahead and check the inside, I would ask a team member if you could just walk through. I mean, now because of COVID, you may not be able to, but either way, just to walk through it because it's so nice and so unique. You don't really know what you're getting into until you walk through those doors. So that's the reason why I say this is definitely a must-do. At least to go in the inside. To eat there, maybe not. Depends on your food choice, but at least walk through it. At least go into the area because it is really, really well themed. So I hope you all enjoyed another one of these quick reviews I had here. Like I said, I really did enjoy the theming and just the location of this restaurant. It's not something I would run to every time I go to Universal, but it is something to see at least once. Again, if you all can please help and subscribe to the channel. I love to make food reviews. They're really fun, even though they make me gain weight, but they're really fun to do. So hopefully I'm trying to balance it out where I can do these food reviews and keep my weight down. But it's just really fun. I love trying new foods. I love doing new experiences. So I hope you all enjoyed as well. Again, it's your boy, MrBucketlist. I'll see you next time. Peace out. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.